In this video, we're going to be showing you how you can get rid of screen time on iPhone. If this does help you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe down below, and let's just get into the video.
So first go to the settings app on your iPhone and scroll down until you find this option screen time. Click this option and it's going to take you to the section of screen time. And here you can see this list. Just scroll through and find this option that says change screen time passcode. Click this option. You can only turn it off by clicking over here. Once you do so, it's going to bring you to this page and here you have to just enter the screen time passcode. So if you don't know the screen time passcode and you haven't set it, what you can do is click forgot password and it's going to bring you to this page and here you have to enter your Apple account that you have set for the passcode recovery. And once you do so, you have to just enter the password for your Apple account and then click OK. And then you can just change your passcode and then enter the new passcode. And once you do so, it's going to just turn off the screen time, and that's how you get rid of your screen time on iPhone.